In this video, I'll show you how to create your own campaigns. This helps when you are sending bulk messages, and it will show you how many of your leads or contacts included in the campaign have replied to your messages, which allows you to see which campaigns have been more effective. Now, let me show you how you can start a campaign and send a bulk message. You can be in any of the leads, contacts, or this module and select all the leads. And this option will allow you to send up to 50 or 100 leads, depending on the Zoho CRM subscription you have. You select this option, send bulk smooth SMS. Then you can choose between the different tooling numbers you have and go through all the options and select whether you like to send a templated message or a blank message. But you can also go to the Smooth Inbox and Bulk SMS module here at the top and go to the section called Send Bulk Campaign. Now in here, you can also choose between the modules you're working on, and you can add as many filters as you want. And with this view, you can actually send to over 100 records at once, even thousands. Just gonna choose this one as an example. I have a total of 11 records here. Most of them are duplicate records, so I'm just going to go next. The interface is pretty much the same. Just have to choose between the Twilio numbers, the number that I like to use to send the text to, the delivery method, who's going to be getting the replies, and then choose between the templated or blank messages. For now, we're just going to pick the template we have here, and then we need to confirm that they've opted in to receive my messages. And then we need to choose whether I'd like to send a message now or if we want to schedule it for a later time using the calendar and the time. Gonna choose send now. Then in here we get in preparing to send. We get more information about the messages. Just receive the message. And if you want to take a look at the stats of your campaign, then you'll be given an option to click here. And once you do, this will open a new tab in your browser and we'll have a section for view stats. And in here we can see that my number was delivered successfully and the two other numbers that were made up or just failed. Also, you can see the leads individually and see the stats of each of the messages. Then you can access each one of the records individually and take a look at the conversations if you wanted to. Now, the great thing about the stats is that right now we have delivered, but if I were to reply to this message, and if we go back to the CRM, as soon as I get the reply, I can refresh the page. And if we take a look at the stats again, we can see that these lead replied. Same thing if we go to the leads, you can see that they replied. Now this way you'll be able to tell how effective your SMS campaign is.